How many men wish they could wake up right next to you and get me a little closer? And I know what to do. Yeah, the baddest in the room. The baddest in the room.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
What's up, Cyber fam? Welcome back to the platform. It's your fave, Leah. And I'm back with another video. Today we are just reviewing Bearvana's products. So if you could go ahead and hit that good subscribe button. Y'all know I always ask you to hit the subscribe button before we even get a minute in the vlog. Hit the subscribe button. Y'all see I'm tapping that? Tap, 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 tap that subscribe button. Let's get to 1K, okay? We're so close. But let's get into this review, okay? So let me not say review, because today, y'all, we're not even reviewing it because I haven't used it. But we are introducing this new collab that I do have. Yes, we are. So the benefits are endless, gluten-free, cruelty-free, herbal extracts, which mean it's from the plant itself. They are soy-free and vegan-friendly. Now, what I've heard about Bearvana is, the top support, which is this big bottle that we got in our hands right now. Very good benefits. The top support is supposed to be for your bosoms. Okay, so if you're trying to make your bosoms grow, but not grow to how I had my motherfuckers before I got them reduced, yeah, get you some of these, okay? But I'm not going to hold you. Just wait a couple of days because your girl's going to have the review in a couple of days for them tatas, okay? So just follow. Just subscribe, follow, whatever platform you on. Stay tuned with the journey because I know you're going to want to get some because I think they work. Bearvana, I got faith in you. I mean, why else would you send them to me if they wasn't really true? You know what I'm saying? Now, these were the bottom support, okay? This is for your bum. Peach gains, gain that peach babe, gain that peach gains, yeah. Anywho, y'all, this is where you can follow them. All of their platforms is Bearvana. I'm going to go ahead and you see that little not link, but you guys see the tags right there on the screen. So, if you want to search them up yourself, do your research, but make sure after you research, you coming back to the platform. I ain't playing with you. Come back onto the platform, follow the journey. Let's see what Bearvana really has in store for us this 2025 coming, baby, because I'm telling you, I know I got my breast production and I know I didn't want double D's, but baby, I think I probably went a little too little, but now while I'm editing this video, my sister's scale was not right. It wasn't right. I'm literally 123.6, but the scale was reading 120.6 for whatever reason. I found that out the next day, which is today that I'm editing this. But yeah, you guys, so we're going to continue to follow. Every Tuesday, we're going to do a weight scale. Every Tuesday, we're going to see if this is actually working, if it's letting me gain weight, if it's, doing what I needed to do, where it needs to be. So I mentioned in the beginning, y'all, that it has very good benefits to it because as I was reading, the sides and the ingredients and all of the benefits to it, it tells you all of the ingredients that it is. It tells you, it's plant-based, it's vegan. So there's so many benefits to it, and that's all linked here, or not linked, but it's all posted here on the side for you guys. So if you need to pause the screen, baby, and get what you need to get. All right, now it's time for the magic to happen. Let's open this bad boy up because I'm ready to pop some and see the results, y'all. Now, I know you was probably seeing that little, that's scorch up because it was a little hard to open up this packaging. I ain't going to hold you. They packaged very well. Shout out to the packaging team because my next bottles, I'm going to need a little butter knife. Okay, so the list of all the ingredients and benefits from this one, the pink one, is listed here on the side. You see all the pop-ups there. That's what is on this. That's what's in the pink one. Now the blue, which is the peach gains, the pink one was top support, but the peach gains, it's all listed here. It's different. So don't think you're getting what you're getting from one as the other. You're not. So if you need to pause the screen, please pause the screen, rewind, whatever it is that you need to do to make sure you understand what you are putting in your body, what we are putting in our bodies, and the benefits, like I said, health-wise, the ingredients, the herbs naturally. You know what I'm saying? You want to do that research. Trust me. Don't just put anything in your body. I mean, trust me, but trust me to a certain extent. You feel me? I'm not going to come on here and tell you guys to take something that I'm not taking or just to promote anything or sell any. I'm just not that girl. So I definitely always want you to have your research done on both ends. But that's the peach gains, which my booty won't be looking right 2025, come 2025. So go get you some of this peach gains. And the top support, y'all know I got a breast reduction. I already told y'all that. Y'all already know that. If you follow the YouTube, you know that. Okay? I reduced them from a double D down. Now, again, this is Beervana's tag. Or if you follow me on TikTok, your fave Leo, you can shop my TikTok shop also. It's time to eat and let these peach gains gain, baby. Guys, I appreciate all the support that you have done thus far. Let's get to 1K before the year is up. Can we do it? Can we do it? I don't think we could do it, but at least before February. Let's get to 1K. I love you guys.